That's great.
That's a
Big
distance.
smile and wave to the camera.
Yeah.
Hey!
Okay, ready to go?
Alrighty.
Let's go.
So 500 feet this way, 700 feet that way. But height-wise, how much high?
That is in
That's
height.
the height.
750 feet and 500 feet.
And how many in the distance?
No, you tell me.
Distance maybe 1 kilometer?
No, it's 25.
No, probably not that far.
Woohoo! There we go! Yeah, that's good. First time in the helicopter.
First time.
Yeah.
It's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, beautiful. Ravi Saga video. First time. Good.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh, lucky to.
Seriously.
Samat kan cik. Video वाले निकाल्नु पर्ने भयो photo. Yeah, that's good. Woo! Yeah.
Good fun?
Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, nice.
Trying.
Alright, so along here we've got the Apostles. That greenery over the back there is home to Victoria's second largest colony of fairy penguins. What do you think? Pretty good?
Yeah, beautiful.
You have long coastline, huh? Long coastline.
Yeah, very long.
The longest flight is how many kilometers? The other one, 240. The
The
longest
445 one?
Yes.
I'm not sure how many kilometers that is. This one over here is the last Apostle. Next up over here we've got the Twin Sisters. So one is the Salt and Pepper Shaker, and that long skinny one is the Razorback.
Ah, okay.
I think the 45-minute one was 90 kilometers or something, wasn't it?
90 kilometers.
Or was it more?
Maybe like that.
This one over here is Muttonbird Island. It's home to a large colony of muttonbirds. There's about 50,000 birds who have migrated from Alaska to live on this island. Up the back you can see a beach that's called Lockhart Gorge. Okay, so this is Baker's Oven. Gets that name because of the shape of the cave that goes through the centre. Looks more like a slice of cheesecake to me.
Every has a name, huh? Name. Every cave has a name.
Yeah, that's right. This is a fall that happened only about 2 months ago.
Landslide.
Big section just fell down.
Yeah, landslide, huh? So, what is the maximum water level during the tide up?
It's not much different. It doesn't change a lot down here. This tall one is Sentinel Rock. It's the tallest rock in the national park. Stands around 200 feet tall.
Oh, okay.
The boat service is also available from somewhere? We can
That's
go.
from Port Campbell. They're fishing for crayfish.
But there is, joy boat, joy riding boats. We can hire boat and go in the ocean.
I don't think they hire them out, no.
Okay.
This is the township of Port Campbell.
Oh, look at that. Yeah. Beautiful.
Are you okay in the back?
Yeah, having fun.
You're going to move your microphone closer to your mouth.
Yeah, okay.
Great.
Yep.
Oh.
How pretty is that, eh?
Yeah, beautiful. Now I can take a pictures.
Yeah.
सम्झे टाउको यता घुमाउनु त अलिकति सुन्नु भएन
Over here you can see Horseshoe Cove.
Yeah.
And that cave is home to another colony of fairy penguins.
There is cave.
Accessible, people can go and swim there.
You can't get down there unless you have a boat.
That would be nice.
So boats are not available for hire, no?
Pardon?
Boat is not available for hire. We cannot hire the boat and go into the...
I don't think anyone hires boats out.
Okay. They're all private boats, no?
Yeah, yeah. There might be a guy at the service station, he might do it.
Okay.
If you go and see him.
Well, we'll try. Check with him. Oh.
That's the only
It
thing.
looks very beautiful, huh?
It does.
Very beautiful. So have any time boat has helicopter has to land on the water? No incident, no?
Not yet.
Just for precaution. Just for precaution.
Yeah, that's right. Emergency only. We've never had one.
Yeah.
Not yet. This one, Mutton Bird Island, looks a bit like a question mark or a seahorse.
Yep.
It's also part of Victoria's worst ever shipping disaster. Back in 1878, a ship sailing from England to Melbourne ran aground on the southernmost tip of that island. It was carrying 54 people. Only 2 people survived, and they were washed up onto that beach up the back, which is now known as Lockhart Gorge.
Beautiful.
There we have the apostles. So number 1.
Number 1, huh?
In total, you should be able to count 8.
But it's all along the course. There.
Yep. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
But if you go further up, there are many. No, just one here. Huh?
There is more up this way.
This way.
It's called Bay of Islands.
Bay of Islands.
It's up past Peterborough. That's well worth having a look at.
So how many trips you make in a one day? How many times?
It depends on the day. Sometimes 30, sometimes 4. It really depends.
Okay.
Sometimes a bit more. So there are only 8 apostles, not 12. You have been lied to. Sorry about that.
Good job. Very good job.
It was a good job.
No pollution, no crowd. You can.
That's right. That's good. No traffic lights.
No traffic lights. Yes.
Get your camera ready as we cross the coast. You'll see all the apostles lined up
Okay.
at the left-hand window.
Okay. There we go. Nice. Oh.
Horizontally, how much it cover in 1 hour? What is the speed of helicopter?
Speed is 200 kilometers an hour.
Double than the car.
What was that?
Double than the car.
Double the car, yeah. And we don't have to follow the roads.
And height, how much you can go maximum?
9,000 feet.
9,000 feet. Quite right.
Look at that.
Okay, guys.
Oh, good. Thank you very much.
Enjoy that.
We enjoyed
Yeah,
a lot.
thanks.
Enjoyed a lot.
Thank you very much for flying with us. Big
Thank
smile away from the
Yeah,
camera.
thank you.
Thank
Yeah, Allah.
We'll take the film behind, huh? Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hey, also.
Jai Usha.
Enjoy the rest of your trip, guys.
Yeah,
Thanks very
thank you
much.
very much.